Alright, so we're going to be performing a factory reset. Start with the Shift and Program button together. Now there's 44 pages of fine adjustments you can do before you hit your utility. So to go there quickly, we're going to hold up on the page button. So we hit the 44th page is tube, and the 45th page, it's now utility. Now we want utility load, preload. Alright, so this is where we have 4 options of factory resets. We can reset just the program that we're at. We can do all programs, which are the 200 sounds that it comes with. We can do factory reset with the global settings, or we can do all 200 programs and the global settings. So whatever you want to reset, you got to just pick and choose. We're just going to do the first 200 programs on a reset right here. Now this is where it asks if you really want to do it. Okay, question mark, and when you push dial, it's complete. Simple as that. And that is how you do a factory reset. First 200 programs will be affected. Anything after the 200 will still be the same, which I downloaded 100 sounds from the KngKORG website, the 80s synth pack, and it has a lot of cool sounds you gotta check out. And that will take up your bank 201 all the way to 300. So I have all 300 spots saved. And definitely check out the other DLC packs that are out there for the KngKORG.